That's alright, on your fault.
Oh, is that?
Wow.
It's on our side, what did you say?
Oh,
What an idiot.
what an idiot.
I know, I've got that on camera.
Shift it in the van. God, that's gone quick, isn't it?
Well,
But when did they tell us? It was when we went.
yeah, you know.
When did they tell us?
It's showing like there he goes. Oh, last minute exit. You know.
Side of the field.
Seriously, down the ring road. Hey! That was alright, you didn't even bother to look, you stupid twat.
Patience and time, and us not losing our shit, and just being calm. If she's
Oh.
Come on, boys.
You bus driver. Idiot!
Oh, you closed to wash it yesterday, not after you'd got back.
Oh, it's not even a tractor. It's a bloke on a bike. No high vis or anything.
Nice and legal. Nice and legal.
Oh God, they're hooked in. They're not getting it.
in front.
Get on. Oops.
Oh yeah, mate. Just park on double yellows, mate.
Stop near a junction and on the brow of a hill. That is a real smart place. Use this.
Nearly empty car park. Nearly empty car park. Can't be asked to find a space. Don't worry about it. Just slap your hazard lights on the double yellows, which go right into the shop. Lazy gits. Another one. Don't mind me. I'll go round you. But they do.
Take the second exit onto 8.
Hey.
Okay, well, who remembers these from back in the day? We have here an old Renault 4, very popular in the 70s, almost unheard of now, but there we go.
Wheels off the ground. it's crashed, that's what happened. It's a fence. The wall's crashed.
Oh dear, I've had a Christmas shunt up the bum. Lovely.